Hey, Wayward Travelers, if you have kids and you're at the SM Mall, you can have them ride this little train that goes around the mall. We're currently waiting for it to go. You excited about the train ride?
Yeah, I eat pizza.
Oh, you're going to eat pizza later? Well, that's always good because Daddy loves pizza too.
And then home.
What are you at the hotel?
Yeah.
Okay, my baby a little sick today. Got a little fever, but
What's that
we're taking her out. So that's your little cold sore. Just a little blister thing. That's dry skin. Okay, say, I'm ready for my train ride.
I'm ready for my train ride.
All right, say bye-bye ding. Hi, Sophia. What are you on?
I'm a train.
You're on a train? What part of the train are you on?
Red.
You red? What's that red one train called? Say that. Caboose.
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 Can we see the other parts of the train?
The rabbits. Look, the rabbits.
Oh yeah, for Easter.
Easter egg.
Yeah.
You find Easter egg in the garden or Walmart or Target.
You can find them all those places.
Yeah.
You after the train ride, you want to take your picture by the rabbits?
Yeah.
Okay, we'll do that. Okay, say bye-bye ding.
Bye-bye.
Say choo-choo. You having fun?
Yeah.
Yeah?
We want to go that way.
So this train ride is about 50 pesos per person.
Choo-choo.
Choo-choo, baby. Say hi, Mommy.
Hi, Mommy.
Sophia, say hi.
Hi, Mommy. Where?
Say hi.
Where?
No, say hi on camera.
Hi, Mommy. Hey, Daddy, you want like that shoes?
Yeah, Dad'll go get Nike shoes.
I love my kids.
Oh, we're almost finished. Here comes back the bunny. Oh no, they go around one way, then they go around another way. So we go around one way, now we're getting ready to go around the, I guess the Starbucks? Oh, cows in the railroad tracks, cows in the railroad. Dairy Queen, ice cream, you want to get some ice cream next? There's some brownies. Those are yummy. You're too young for ice skating. Because you're too young. You gotta be at least 6 years old for ice skating. This is actually a pretty good experience for little kids riding around on a big figure 8. my God, we're not just going to Figure Eight, we're also going down the main strip. Wow, this is actually a longer ride than I thought it was going to be. Wow, this is an easy way to show you, my viewers, the mall without me walking. Yay. We see the Jollibees. And we see the candy section. So much fun! There's a print shop. Pin shop here. What's this? This is National Bookstore.
I love books.
Yeah, you want to go to the bookstore later?
Yeah.
Okay.
There's toys.
We have the SM store here. We've got some chocolate over there.
I want to go to a store, please.
Later? Thought you want to get ice cream first.
Okay. Ice cream first and toys second, right?
Dairy Queen?
Yeah.
I thought you want to go bookstore.
Yeah. There's a couple toys too.
How about instead of a toy, you get a new book? Huh? You want to do that?
How about ice cream first, book second, and third toy?
Okay. Oh, we're here to say yay. Was that fun, Sophia? Yeah?
Yeah.
All right, that's our train ride. Yay. Thank you for joining us for our SM train ride. After a nice long train ride, nothing better than a Dairy Queen frozen treat. For all of you who love Dairy Queen, they have Dairy Queen here in SM Mall.